In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book hotel reservations on Booking.com. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long vacation, Booking.com offers a user-friendly platform to secure your perfect stay. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, head over to Booking.com and find the hotel that suits your needs. You can do this by entering your destination, check-in and check-out dates, number of guests, and any other preferences you might have. Once you've found a hotel that catches your interest, click on it to view more details. It's important to carefully review all the information provided about the hotel to ensure it meets your criteria. This includes amenities, location, and cancellation policies. Take your time to read through the reviews to get a sense of other travelers' experiences. Once you're satisfied with your choice, scroll down to the bottom of the hotel page where you'll find different room options. Here, you can select your preferred room type. Be sure to adjust the quantity if you're booking multiple rooms. The corresponding prices for your selection will be displayed, allowing you to compare and choose the best fit for your budget. After deciding on a room, click the I'll Reserve button. This will take you to the reservation page, where you'll need to enter your booking details. Make sure the information matches your ID exactly to avoid any issues upon check-in. Double-check everything from the spelling of your name to the dates of your stay. It's crucial that all details are accurate. Now, proceed to fill out any required fields. This may include contact information, special requests, or preferences you might have. Be thorough and ensure all entries are correct before you move forward. Once all fields are completed to your satisfaction, click Next to proceed to the final details section, which is the payment page. On the payment page, you'll need to enter your payment details. Booking.com typically offers several payment options, including credit or debit card. Select your preferred method and enter the necessary information. Again, accuracy is key here to ensure a smooth transaction. Once you've reviewed everything and are confident that all details are correct, finalize your booking by completing the payment. Congratulations! You've successfully booked your hotel reservation on Booking.com. You'll receive a confirmation email with all the details of your booking. Be sure to keep this email handy for reference during your trip. Remember, if you have any questions or need to make changes to your reservation, Booking.com quotes, "Customer service is just a click away." Safe travels and enjoy your stay.